Now let's step into real stories behind app-based income. These are not fantasies, but everyday digital realities. A teenager uploads short videos and earns monthly income. A freelancer designs logos using mobile apps only. A student sells digital notes through simple software platforms. None of them started with special equipment or big budgets. They simply understood how apps connect people and money. One creator started editing videos on a basic phone. Within months, brands began paying for his content. Another person used a marketplace app to sell handmade crafts. That small hobby turned into a full-time income stream. Apps removed traditional barriers like location and office space. Anyone with internet access can participate in this economy. The key difference is action, not background or education. Some people use ride-sharing apps to earn daily cash flow. Others use delivery apps to build steady weekly income. Software platforms allow remote freelancing from anywhere in the world. Even language skills can be monetized through tutoring apps. The digital world rewards consistency more than talent alone. 1 hour per day can build something meaningful over time. Many people underestimate small digital actions at first, but small actions compound into large opportunities online. A simple post can reach thousands or even millions. That reach can easily translate into real financial gain. Apps like marketplaces connect buyers and sellers instantly. Social media platforms connect attention directly to advertising money. Content creators monetize views through built-in app systems. Software tools allow automation of many income processes. Some people build entire businesses using only mobile apps. They manage everything from communication to payments digitally. This eliminates the need for traditional physical infrastructure. One designer works entirely through cloud-based apps. He collaborates with international clients without leaving home. Another example is someone selling courses through learning platforms. Each sale happens automatically through software systems. Apps are designed to scale human effort and into global reach. That is why they are powerful income engines. The more value you provide, the more apps amplify it. Even gaming apps now reward skilled players financially. Digital economies are becoming more interactive every year. What used to be hobbies are now income channels. People are turning creativity into monetized digital assets. The barrier to entry has never been lower in history, but success still requires understanding how systems work. Many users fail because they treat apps casually. Winners treat apps like structured business ecosystems. They learn how algorithms reward consistent engagement. They study what content or services get attention. Then they position themselves strategically inside the system. That is how ordinary users become digital earners. The difference is not luck, but awareness and execution. Every success story starts with one small digital step. That step often looks insignificant at the beginning, but over time, it builds unstoppable momentum. Next, we uncover the deeper system behind these earnings. Most people see apps as tools, but they are actually ecosystems. Every app is designed with a built-in economy. That economy rewards attention, engagement, and value creation. The real question is not which app to use, but how it works. Behind every successful earner is an understanding of systems. Algorithms decide what gets seen and what disappears. This means visibility is engineered, not random. Many users fail because they ignore this structure. They post without strategy and expect results, but apps reward patterns, not randomness. Consistency signals reliability to digital systems, and reliability leads to increased reach over time. Every platform tracks user behavior in detail. That data shapes who gets rewarded. Successful creators study these signals carefully. They learn what type of content performs best. Then they replicate and improve it repeatedly. This is not luck, it is behavioral alignment. Apps are designed to keep users inside longer, so they promote content that increases watch time. Understanding this alone changes everything. Suddenly, you are no longer guessing blindly. You are working with the system instead of against it. Another hidden factor is network effect. The more users an app has, the more valuable it becomes. That value creates more monetization opportunities. Developers build tools to capture that value. Users who adapt early gain disproportionate advantages. Timing often matters more than perfection. Early adopters of apps often build large incomes because competition is still low at the beginning. Later, competition increases and attention becomes expensive. That is why speed of action is critical. Another layer is automation through software tools. Automation allows one person to scale like a team. Tasks like posting, replying, buying and selling can be automated. This frees time while increasing output. More output leads to more exposure. More exposure leads to more monetization. This cycle is the foundation of digital income growth. Many people never reach this level of understanding. They stay stuck at surface level usage, but deep users treat apps like business machines. They analyze metrics instead of just content. They adjust strategies based on performance data. This creates continuous improvement loops. Each loop increases efficiency and income potential over time. Small improvements become massive results. This is how digital entrepreneurs scale globally. Without offices, without employees, without boundaries, everything becomes connected through software systems, and those systems reward strategic thinking, not just effort, but direction of effort. That is the real hidden truth behind app income, and once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Now we move from ideas to real methods that generate income. This is where theory turns into practical action. One of the most common ways is content creation. People use short video apps to build audiences. Once attention grows, monetization becomes possible. Brands pay creators to promote products. Platforms also pay based on views and engagement. Another method is freelancing through apps. Designers offer logo services directly from mobile tools. Writers sell articles using freelance platforms. Programmers build software and get remote contracts. All of this happens without a physical office. Selling digital products is another powerful method. Ebooks, templates, and guides are easy to distribute. Apps handle payment and delivery automatically. That makes the process scalable and passive over time. Some people earn through affiliate marketing apps. They promote products and earn commissions on sales. No inventory is needed in this model. Only a phone and internet connection are required. Dropshipping apps allow selling without holding stock. Orders are processed automatically by suppliers. The user focuses only on marketing and traffic. This reduces risk and increases scalability. Teaching online is another strong income path. People sell courses through learning platforms. Others offer one-on-one coaching through video apps. Even language tutoring is now fully app-based. Gaming apps also create earning opportunities. Skilled players earn through tournaments and streaming. Some apps reward users for completing tasks. Surveys, testing, and micro tasks can generate small income. Combined together, they can become meaningful earnings. Investment apps allow users to grow money digitally. Stocks, crypto, and funds are managed through mobile platforms, but these require knowledge and careful risk control. Another method is building SaaS tools or micro apps. Developers create simple software and sell subscriptions. This creates recurring monthly income streams. Subscription models are powerful because they repeat earnings. Some people build entire brands inside social apps. They turn personal profiles into digital businesses. Consistency is what drives long-term results. Daily posting builds trust and audience loyalty. Engagement turns followers into customers. Every comment, share, and like increases reach. That reach becomes monetizable traffic. Traffic becomes income when directed properly. The key is not doing everything, but choosing one path. Focus creates faster results than scattered effort. Many beginners fail because they try too many methods. Successful earners master one system first, then they scale it step by step. Apps make this process easier than ever before. Now let's uncover how this changes your future mindset. At this point, everything comes down to mindset because tools are useless without direction. Two people can use the same app completely differently. One spends time, the other builds income. The difference is how they think, not what they have. Most people treat apps as distractions, but successful people treat them as assets. An asset is something that generates value over time. That means your phone can either drain your time or build your future. The choice is always in your hands, but awareness is what creates that choice. Without awareness, everything feels like entertainment. With awareness, everything becomes opportunity. Every notification becomes a potential signal. Every platform becomes a marketplace. Every post becomes a possible income source. This shift does not happen instantly. It develops through repetition and learning. At first, results are usually small, but small results are the foundation of growth. Many people quit before reaching momentum. They expect fast success without consistency, but digital income rewards patience and repetition. Those who persist eventually break through because algorithms favor consistent contributors, and consistency builds trust with audiences. Trust leads to engagement. Engagement leads to income. This chain never changes across platforms. It applies to every app-based business model. The real secret is showing up every day, even when results feel invisible at first, because progress online is often silent before it is visible. Then suddenly, everything accelerates. A single video can change everything overnight. A single product can create recurring income. A single skill can open global opportunities, but none of it works without action. Knowledge alone is never enough. Execution execution is what separates dreamers from earners. The digital world rewards those who build, not just consume. And apps are the tools of their transformation. They compress time, distance, and opportunity. They allow anyone to compete globally. That is why this era is so powerful, but also why it is so competitive. Only those who adapt will benefit. Those who stay passive will fall behind. The gap between users and creators will continue to grow, and that gap is defined by mindset alone. You are either building something or feeding someone else's system. There is no middle ground anymore. The opportunity is already in your hands. The only question is what you will do with it, and that decision changes everything from this moment forward.